You mentioned this weekend there being a lot of wind. I was trying to grill some food. It looked like my backyard was on fire, just blowing all the smoke across.
I mean, I've got a lot of neighbors that have wind chimes out already. And my wife's like, "Are you going to put ours out?" And I said, "I just don't want them to end up in our neighbor's yard."
Right.
Because the winds were extremely strong Saturday night and through much of the day yesterday. Finally starting to lighten up last night, and this morning much less wind out there. This morning actually started off with mostly clear skies overhead. Quite a few stars up there to begin the day. Enjoy today. In fact, today is going to be the warmest day of the week. No real weather concerns. Quite a bit of sunshine here through the first half of the day. A few more clouds expected later on this afternoon. Eventually, those clouds bring a chance for some wet weather back into our forecast, likely very late tonight. I don't think we have any weather concerns throughout the daylight hours or even into the evening hours tonight. It's likely going to be after midnight that we start to see some of these showers move back into the region. And then Tuesday morning looking fairly wet and some much cooler weather set to also arrive Tuesday through the rest of this week. Now this morning, if you are stepping out, you probably need a jacket. Temperatures, especially back into southern Illinois and parts of southeast Missouri right now, back in the lower 40s. 43 in Mount Vernon. We've got 42 there in Marion, 45 currently in Cape Girardeau. Still some 50s, say from Sikeston southward to Portageville, Missouri, there along I-55. Union City, Tennessee right now at 48 degrees and very few clouds overhead. Just a few high, thin clouds streaming in from the west. Those will start to increase this afternoon, but your precision forecast, again, one of the warmest days of the week. Today winds will be out of the north and west and nowhere near as strong as they were yesterday. 68 today into Mount Vernon, 69 in Benton. Pinckneyville also up to about 69 degrees. McLeansboro warming up to about 70 this afternoon. Harrisburg at 72, Marion at 71, Vienna up to about 73 degrees. Into western Kentucky, even warmer temperatures into the low to mid 70s there this afternoon. Mayfield up to about 73. Clinton, Kentucky also up to about 73. And then upper 60s in Fredericktown, Missouri. I start to see some of that cooler air arrive. Poplar Bluff, though, warming up to about 75 degrees. Area of low pressure sitting on top of us this morning. A little weak cold front draped to our south. Very slow moving front and a core of some much colder air showing up out across the northern plains in the upper Midwest. Dave, Evie, look at that. North Dakota right now actually seeing some snow flying, and in the nation's icebox, that's International Falls, Minnesota, actually also seeing some snow this morning. Clouds start to increase later on this afternoon. Again, we stay dry through the daylight hours today, but here comes the rain, making its way back in after midnight. By about 3 a.m., watching some light showers start to track in from the west. And notice these are pretty light, not expecting even anything in the way of thunder and lightning, but they're likely to linger around through the early morning hours on Tuesday before rain starts to exit. But Tuesday, with the clouds and the rain around, it's going to be a much cooler day. And this is not a big rainmaker for us. For most, it's actually going to be, say, less than 2/10 of an inch of rain, but just enough to wet the roads and kind of make it feel pretty damp out there throughout at least the morning hours on Tuesday. And as far as the winds go, well, wind not too much of a concern the next couple of days. Up to about 10 miles an hour this afternoon. Same thing in here on Tuesday. So a nice break, at least from some of the stronger winds. But today, lower 70s on average for high temperatures across the area. The rest of the week, afternoon highs are dropping back into the 60s, and not only the 60s, there's a lot of low 60s out there in our forecast. 71 today, there's the showers in the forecast for Tuesday. Waking up Wednesday morning, mid 40s, afternoon highs only in the low 60s for, and then looking ahead to say Thursday morning, look at that, upper 30s for morning temperatures. We could actually see some light patchy frost. Yeah, Dave's shaking his head over here. Light patchy frost in some of the outlying rural areas. I don't think it's going to be too much of an issue for even in some of the sensitive plants, but something we'll continue to track as we get a little closer. Temperatures, though, staying in the low 60s through the weekend into the weekend. More chances for a few showers back in the forecast Saturday and Sunday. And honestly, temperatures, well, enjoy the 70s today because there's no more of them in our 10-day forecast.
I got a message for old man Winter. He's past his prime. It's time to let go. It's time to enjoy some warm weather.
Come on, 60s, that's not winter, but I know.
He's trying.
It's actually fairly seasonable for this time of year, but
he's having a midlife crisis. Abby?